Hi, my name's Tony and I'm here to show you how to use our range of gas blowtorches to apply our Postsaver Pro Sleeve. We have two types of gas blowtorches in our range. We have our trade entry-level Calloni torch and we have our professional Sievert torch. You require propane gas to operate both. We recommend that you use one of these gas blowtorches when you're going to be installing Pro Sleeves onto 15 posts or more. You can use other types of gas blowtorches, but we recommend that you follow our setup instructions for the best shrinking results. For the best shrinking results, we need to set your flame length on your torch to between 40 and 45 centimeters. To achieve this, we recommend that you set your regulator pressure at 2 bar or 30 psi. You may need to adjust this slightly depending on your torch. Let's see how to operate the Calloni torch. Before you turn the gas on at the bottle, ensure the valve on the torch is turned clockwise to the closed position. Turn the gas on at the bottle. Then turn the valve on your torch anti-clockwise until you hear gas coming through. Then press the black button to ignite. To adjust the flame, squeeze in the trigger on the Calloni torch and adjust the regulator until you've got a flame length of between 40 and 45 centimeters. To extinguish the flame, release the trigger and turn the valve clockwise to the closed position. Our next torch is a Sievert professional blowtorch. For this torch, you will need to turn the dial to its maximum setting. Turn the gas on and set your regulator pressure at 2 bar or 30 psi. To ignite the torch, squeeze the orange trigger in slightly until you hear gas, then squeeze firmly to ignite. Hold the trigger in for the duration of your application. Once finished, simply release the orange trigger to turn off your gas. For this shrinking example, we're going to be using our standard welded sleeve. For information on how to install all of our Pro Sleeve range, please visit our website. We recommend measuring the depth of your hole, then adding 2 inches to this measurement to establish where the top of the sleeve will be located on the post. This extra 2 inches above ground is critical to ensure that the Pro Sleeve works effectively. Once you've marked your sleeve position on your post, slide your sleeve into position. If you're installing Pro Sleeves on a square post, ensure this seam section is in the centre of one side of the post. For this shrinking example, we're going to be using our Calloni blowtorch. To shrink the sleeve, hold the torch so the flame is just touching the sleeve. Then start to move your torch from left to right, ensuring you move 2 inches past each end. Start to rotate your post following this process, ensuring that this seam section is done last. A good sleeve application, you will start to see bitumen come through the top and through the bottom of your sleeve. This is what we call the black ring of confidence. Also ensure you have an even shrink all the way around your post. If for any reason you burn through or damage your sleeve, you're going to need to cut your sleeve off with a knife. Cut the sleeve from top to bottom and peel it off. You will now need to reapply a new sleeve. There we go, all done. This post is now ready to be installed any way you wish, including power driving.